Alright, we're out here for another adventure. Today, I will be setting up my hammock for hammock camping. I got the net, tarp, of course the hammock, and we're in the Nevada wilderness out near Mount Charleston. So stay tuned. This is my first time doing this, so it's gonna be a learning experience for us all. Stay tuned. Got my bud JT out here with me. Say what up, JT.
What up?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you, mountain head.
Yeah, so there's a lot of valleys and ridges out here, so there's not a lot of completely flat areas to kind of camp out that has a amount of trees. For those that don't know, there are a lot of evergreens in Nevada, but there are also a lot of small trees that makes it difficult to set up a hammock. But I think I might find a spot near here that can suffice what we're looking for just for this demonstration today. But yeah, see that hill? Is everything? Alright, got my hammock here. I got my rain fly. This is the Chill Gorilla 10-foot fly that I bought when I was stationed overseas. And this is the Chill Gorilla Defender bug net that I'm going to be using today. You can check them out online. I don't have an affiliate or anything like that, but I will put the link in my description. Thanks. Alright, got the hammock with my straps. See how long these are. It says they can reach across the, maybe a little bit too wide, but I guess we'll find out. Back stage attaches to this piece. This is a Farland parachute hammock. My favorite color, blue.
And my favorite color, black.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Wrap it around the tree, bud.
And next to you later. And I said next to you later.
Okay. Thank you.
Why are you wrapping that around the tree?
So we can get the hammock up.
You mean this?
Yeah. Well, the hammock is down here.
What is a ham?
The hammock is a cool place to rest.
A cool place to rest
Yes, sir.
and watch your
You
show.
want to come hold this part for Dad? Want to hold this for Dad right here?
Sure.
Thank you. Come on. It's okay. Hold this part right here, okay?
I'm going to do this.
Hold this part, okay? Hold the hoop. Oh, no, hold the hoop. Okay, I'm gonna hold you. Okay, hold it right there, okay?
This will hold me.
Holding it?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let Dad see it. We have our hammock set up, guys.
Okay.
No, it's not gonna break. If it breaks, just laugh at me, okay, people? Look. 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 Look, buddy. We got the hammock. Now we can take a good little nappy nap. Okay? Hold up, let me get the rest of the stuff now.
Can I go there?
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, let me help you in so you don't fall. Ooh, don't tip too far. Stay inside the black part. If you go outside that part, you're gonna tip out, okay? Alright, we got the hammock set up. Let's go and see if we can get this rain fly set.
Daddy.
Yeah. You see me?
Daddy.
I see you. Like I said before, I've never done this before. so I'm not exactly sure what all this entails to do the rain fly. I mean the mosquito fly. This the mosquito fly? No, this the net. And this is the rain net. I'm sorry. I'll do that in a minute. The rain fly first. I mean the mosquito net next.
Dad.
Yes, bud. Huh? Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Stop. Stop. No, it's you. Yeah.
Apparently I missed a step. I gotta go back and put the hammock inside of the mosquito net so it's completely enclosed in the net. So just follow along. Here I go. Alright, so I fed both ends through the mosquito net. Now I have to set up the top string so I can tie off.
Hey, come on, this time.
Wait, can I get that other black rope you found earlier?
Huh?
Can I get that other black rope that you found earlier?
What black?
By my bag over there. The black 550 cord.
Okay.
See it?
No. You mean this?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, bud. You the man. Okay, we're gonna use this as a backup if in case we have to, okay guys? Don't hit the rope, brother. I gotta keep the rope tight. You throwing grenades? Throwing grenades, bud?
What? What are grenades? Huh?
See the net now? The net is almost ready. Obviously, it should be setting higher than this so we can get it to be like this when we sit inside. But they said I'm having tree problems, so don't fall in that hill, buddy.
Why?
Maybe it might hurt you. It's okay, really. Because once you get inside, it's going to just scoop down anyway. We just have space below us.
Daddy, you are big. Get out of here.
1 minute, bud. I'm almost out. Almost out. I mean, I'm almost in. What did you mean? Fine. You can see me still, okay? Alright, the tarp, the rain fly comes with 4 stakes, pretty well made, with the orange tie down, and it has the extension ropes to keep everything nice and tight as you tighten it down. Unfortunately, I don't have a hammer, so maybe I can find a big log to hammer it down to the ground. The ground is pretty soft here, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I can help you. Can you find me a hammer? I'm gonna tie off the ends of this deal so I can get the sides up high enough. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm giving it a shot. Get it in there good. Oh boy, you just passed gas?
Yeah.
Alright, let's wait till the next one. That's good enough. Let the next one get on there, okay? Alright, I'm just gonna give a quick demonstration of how I've been tying these stakes off to the lanyard. What I've been doing is I've been pulling it all the way out, tying the knot on the end here, just to have it not be too long. It could be the wrong way to do it, but it's been working so far. If you're out there and you're an expert at doing tent stake tie downs, please let me know. But this is the way I've been doing it, and it's been effective so far. So let's see how it holds up. So when you're done, just have a knot on both ends. And what I do is I tie this piece, slide this through the loop, and then let this piece be the stopper on the loop, and then it just stakes down. So final stake coming up. Here it is, guys.
You hear those birds?
Hear that buzzard? Did you hear the buzzard?
Yeah.
Alright guys, the hammock tent with tarp and mosquito fly, bug fly is all done. Take a quick trip around. This is the inside. You can pack your gear down here if you wish. This is the back side of the tent area. Obviously I can do a little bit better with getting this part up and tied off, or a little strap in the middle could be used to keep the tent up higher, but this is going to work for now. Just a quick demonstration as stated before. With a lot of help from JT, this has been pretty fun. But yeah, let's go in and check it out and see how it is inside. Ready, Nugget? Let's get up. Come on, let's go inside. Come on this side.
Which one do you like?
The orange one. Thank you.
I like the black.
Yep, come on inside.
Whoa.
We're going inside, guys. No, up here, up here. Get inside the tent.
No.
You don't want to get in? Okay, I get it by myself.
Don't break it.
It's not going to break, dude. I've been using this thing for years now. All right. Inside the tent with mosquito net. Oh, dang. We had a little blooper there, guys. I fell out the doggone tent. Out the hammock. That happens sometimes, so be careful out there, okay? Alright, we're inside. This is not a two-man hammock, but he's just a little dude, so it works for us. We're here chilling. Say what up.
What up, mans?
And women's and kids. And well, yeah, here we are.